It's my firm belief that the EPWP can be reformed to work closer with the private sector to deliver long-term and real job opportunities to participants. Through apprenticeships in the private sector, this program has the opportunity to become a catalyst for job creation across the length and breadth of our country. Today I look forward to discussing how we can achieve this vision of a reformed EPWP that brings dignity, because it is a vision that I am determined to achieve at all costs, and we will know whether we are successful through the results that we will see in years to come. As part of our rethinking of the program and the specific outcomes we would like to achieve, it will be important to discuss how we measure that tool of success. Should we measure ourselves on the number of opportunities alone created, or the number of permanent employment opportunities that we help find participants? It's a question that we should answer. Do we care about how many people receive payment at the end of the month, or how many people we are able to meaningfully transfer skills to? It's important that we decide these metrics before we start to implement the new reimagined version of EPWP. It should also be the North Star that guides every decision we take. If an intervention does not achieve its intended goals, the intervention should be reconsidered. And therefore, as we begin to work to reform the program, it's important that we start to work on a closer track to achieve these metrics and how to measure them versus our intended goals. And importantly, how do we implement monitoring and evaluation to become a cornerstone of the implementation of this program? Because without proper monitoring, we simply will not know whether our interventions are successful. And we will never know whether an alternative approach may achieve better results. So tracking these key metrics will tell us whether we're headed in the right direction or whether we urgently require a change to our approach. Today I look forward to thinking about these metrics and hearing from you around how we will measure our success and how we can start to monitor them. Over the period of 20 years, EPWP has become the cornerstone for many communities. And for the next 20 years, we must ask, how do we make it a bigger cornerstone for those communities? This is why you have been invited to join us here today. And it is also clear that if we don't work together, we will not achieve these collective goals. Partnerships are key. And that's why I'm so grateful to have the ILO here and who have been partners of us and for us in so many ways. I also understand that this partnership comes to a formal end sometime this year, but I want to today announce that we will urgently begin discussions with the ILO on how we can further extend this partnership for many more years to come, and I will direct my officials to begin this process as early as tomorrow. I have no doubt that in the room with us here today are some of the brightest minds in South Africa, at least who can help develop innovative approaches and find solutions. I'm also looking forward to seeing these plans and solutions that we develop by the end of today and as we go forward. In the weeks and months ahead, I also want to continue to be a political champion for this program. We have even had the tough discussions with National Treasury to stop cutting budget allocation for EPWP. So with your continued support and collaboration, we will be able to serve our communities and uplift millions of people across this country through skills transfer and permanent employment that provides dignity for them and their families. I therefore invite all of you to continue to do the work that you have been doing, to join us on this exciting journey and to make EPWP better and bigger for the next 20 years. Thank you very much.